stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, and I got me an ice cream. What is it? Iced tea. So with no sugar. Green tea with no sugar. That's what it is. Green tea with no sugar with splash of raspberry. Girl, it's not the best because of the no sugar thing, but I can't do the sugar. And I have me a croissant with the ham. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Jesus bless this food. Thank you, Lord. I forgot to pray. I'm so hungry. You know, when you're hungry, everything tastes good. I'm on my way to Walmart. I'm gonna turn this off so I can eat, okay?
Welcome to Five Below, guys. We are in the jewelry section. They have a bunch of cute items, especially this one. It's a jewelry holder. You can put your rings, your bracelets, hang your bracelets and your chain. And if this is not your thing, you can buy this for your young girl in your life. You know, your sister, younger sister, siblings, so on and so forth. I love them, but you know, I had several other types, so I didn't need one. Anyway, so I'm taking you guys to Five Below too, so you can see what's up, what's new. Jewelry, bracelets, so on and so forth. This is a trending section that they have. I didn't realize they had a trending section. They have a lot of dupes. Van Cleef. This is a dupe. I've seen this around a lot on the internet, so I'm not sure the name. Of course, Van Cleef. All the colors: pink, black, red, and white. Very nice. You know, if you just want the look, you can buy yours for $5. So who would know? Nobody will know. Nobody will know except you. So guys, enjoy the video and you will see many items. Of course, like I mentioned, trending section. They look nice. I'm not sure if they will not tarnish quickly, but anyway, if you want something quick, go get it at Five Below. They also carry trending necklaces. I've recognized those locks around on the internet. I've seen them on the internet. Now you can go for Five Below for a friendly price. All these things are trending. All these things are trending, and everything is $5 or below. So I just wanted to bring you guys these items so you guys can see. Those skinny bows are in right now for young girls in middle school or primary school. Yes, necklaces. I love necklaces. Sometimes I wear a stack around my neck, more than one, so to the fashion trend. So now also this one is a jewelry holder. I don't know why I have a puppy on the tray, but anyway, so you guys enjoy the video. There will be more coming. I wanted to show you certain items they carry. And sorry guys for always doing voiceovers when I go to the stores. It's because they carry music and I don't want to be copyrighted. You know, I have a new channel. I don't want to be in trouble. These jewelry holders are different and very nice, very cute. This is something that you put on your desk for storage. Yes, I didn't know what it was at first. Okay, it is a shelf in the shape of a bow. Okay, it's to you know, for storage on top of your desk or beauty desk. Of course, they have brushes for makeup, and this is from Sour Patch, Jolly Ranchers. I didn't know they have all these things. I'm just finding out. Hair detangler. This is a hairbrush for young girl princesses, Disney collection. If you have a young person in your life that's into these things, go run to Five Below. All these princesses. This is Cupcake. Oh, I forgot what the name of that. Not Cupcake. I forgot the name. But you see it. Okay. What else do they have? Of course, they have press-on nails for $5. They are very pretty. I must say. If you're in a rush and you want to do something quick on your nails, you don't have time to go to the salon, this is a quick fix. Just get yourself a nice glue, a good glue that will stick, and you know what, you have a manicure in no time. Of course. Of course, guys, they have those trendy sneakers. I'm not a sneaker person. I have a lot of sneakers because of the type of work that I do, but initially I only had one pair of sneakers. So yeah, if this is your thing, go right ahead. I'm not sure if they are comfortable though. Those affordable sneakers. Okay. Yeah, okay, we finished with the hair accessory section. Now we are heading towards the perfume fragrance section, beauty. They have a lot of dupes. If you're into the dupes for perfume, go right ahead. This is a body shimmer, I believe. The cream, hand cream. I wanted to buy me one, but I forgot. And I went back to the store because initially my previous clip, I ran out of storage, so I came back on the next day to do another one to complete my video. So now these sandals, I don't know how I feel about them. I'm not quite sure why I show you guys, but anyway, if it's your thing, go right ahead. These black thongs, I believe, are dupes for something, and I went back to pick up from the last filming section. So yeah, and I forgot to pick myself one. Let me know, guys, if you guys have used any of these from Five Below. I've never used the original one, but I wanted to try the bootleg one. Why not? We are in the business of saving money here. Everything is so expensive. Okay? All right, we're gonna talk about it here. We're gonna talk about how expensive stuff are. Okay, so now I find myself in the jewelry section. This is not jewelry, I'm so sorry. This is the beauty section, makeup section. This is a lippy from, I believe, Rimmel, London. They used to sell these things at Walmart. I don't see them anymore. They have a lot of the smaller name brand over there per se. So I was just looking and I just wanted to show you guys what they have. Eyelashes, nails, again from Kiss, and what else? They have a lot of products that I was surprised to see, And I have to tell you guys, this is my second time at Five Below. This foot file, I mean, I would call it foot filer to, you know, to scrub your foot, the edges. That will come very handy during the summertime. Again, they have so many different nail colors, press-on nails, so all kind of colors, all kind of shape, you know. If you're difficult, you will find one that you like. This, I believe these are from the Remo brand. Eyeliner, eye pencil. Yes, I found my way to the makeup section, and they also have a Sally Hansen section, which I liked. And I used to use these concealer from yes, I used to use this concealer from LA Colors, so I don't use them anymore. I barely use them. I still have them, but I barely use them. I had that powder. It's a setting powder for under the eye. Makeup wipes from LA Colors, very interesting. Lip oils, they have a bunch of them. You know, it's like they got you covered. LA Girls, I should have said LA Girls, not LA Colors. LA Girls, they got you covered, and with a reasonable price though. The price point is really reasonable. I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys enjoy the music. I hope I didn't get on your nerve or anything. Please come back, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Do you get your makeup at Five Below? You know, certain items at Five Below, they may be my go-to now. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe, we shall see. All right, enjoy the video. See you later.
bye.